Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Okcupid login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First close the Okcupid app. First close the Okcupid app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle. Then find the Okcupid app. Then swipe it up to close it completely. Now reopen the app and try logging in again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly. Open Safari and try loading any website. If it does not load, choose between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then open Okcupid and try logging in again. Step 3. Update the Okcupid app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for Okcupid. If update is available, install it. After updating, open the app and try logging in again. Step 4. Restart your phone. Press and hold the side button and volume button. Then slide to power off. Wait over 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. Once it restarts, open Okcupid and try logging in again. Step 5. Check Okcupid server status. If you still can't log in, the issue might be with Okcupid servers. Open Safari and search Okcupid server status. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. And that's how you can fix Okcupid login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.